Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today's video will be super helpful to any of you having a car guys, because most of you will have a cigarette lighter port or power outlet port. This is where you guys plug in your phone, your electronic device to charge it, or you just plug in a cigarette lighter if you need to. So if that socket guys, cigarette lighter socket goes bad, we'll explain how you remove it and how you replace it. It's not as complicated as you think, but it takes a little bit of messing around to know exactly what to do. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing guys. It came out of a Dodge, but it will work pretty much on any car we replace, on BMW, Mercedes. Multiple cars have the same design guys. Probably I would say 90% of the cars. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any car parts tools for a really good price, replacement socket, check out the link in the description of the video below. And you can see guys, where we get all that from, for a really good price and fast shipping as well. We guys have a 2015 Dodge Dart that this one came out of, but doesn't matter what car it is. If you have a socket that looks kind of like that, and 90% of the cars will be, we'll explain guys what needs to be done to remove and replace that thing. Most of the times you need to remove the component that contains the socket, so you can grab it on the back side with your hand and push it. But in some cases you don't, and we will explain how you can do that as well, but it's not as convenient. So how you guys do that? Let me show you now. On the inside guys, you're going to have two slots. Let me try to focus here on the lighter only. Two slots, 180 degrees from each other. One on this side, one on this side guys, and you look like clear glass there. So you guys need to push those clips in. Sometimes it's not possible to push them in. Sometimes you have to grab the back end and just pry on it a little bit, to bend it gently. And once you do that, you bend the other side, and if you get a screwdriver in between the socket here, you can pry it guys, and it will come out. If not, you have to push it from the back side. And it came out. Now, I just dropped it, so let me grab it quick. Let me explain to you now guys. The two clips, that we had, they go right here. One here, one over there. We went from the inside with the screwdriver. Let us show you how we went. And we pried them open a little bit. You can see how we bend them. Like that. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to get it out. If you need to remove the trim piece, there is different designs, might be different clips, but the socket guys, most of them are universals, and that's how it will be done. Now if you need to install it guys, you need to straighten those things up. I'll show you in a second, so it can lock in place, otherwise that thing will be loose. Now when you guys get the new one, it will be straight, so all you have to do, push it in. But if you're reusing your old one, you will have to guys straighten those spots that we bent earlier, so it can guys go in all the way. And then it has only a certain spot that it goes to. Check out those two teeth on the bottom, they go right here, and you have one on top. So you need to align everything good, and then just firmly you have to press it in guys. We just don't want to bend our hood here. And it's locked in place, not going anywhere. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.